Hi everyone, as you can see we're starting to put the panelling on the onto the walls using the nail gun. So yeah, we'll just get started and
Go for it.
Yep.
It's not sounding like it's got power.
No.
Yeah. What's happening with that nail gun?
Is that?
No, that's fine.
Did it come out?
It wasn't all the way in here.
Oh, okay. Wasn't engaged properly. Yeah. Is it like that?
Yep. Not going. It's okay, it doesn't fire when...
I've just seen someone get...
Oh no, it's all these safety things in it now.
Why isn't it working?
I don't know. Maybe the orange wasn't far enough. But best to have it not up on the tongue, but down in the groove. Yeah. Just come over this way.
Now you can see it though.
Oh yeah, it's quite a bit too far then. Yeah, there.
Yeah.
Shall I go in slow mo now?
Yeah, I think so.
The other way around.
All
Well, feeling really happy with what we did, Pauline.
Yep. We lined the side of the walls with some battens. I think it was 12mm ply. We cut into 100mm pieces, and then just tech screwed them onto the wall, so we can put the support of the pine panelling on.
Yeah.
How hot is it in here, Karen?
It's 31 and it's pretty bloody hot, to be honest, and we're finishing up. We've got 4 boards up.
Yeah.
We did make a mistake.
Yeah, that'll be in the outtakes.
That was Pauline's fault.
Yeah, of course. And I just wanted to comment, this morning we put the shade, snap shade on the front window, and how cool has it kept it?
It's a lot better.
It's made a huge difference considering it's 31 degrees out there. So we're feeling it now.
Yeah.
So it's as they say here in Australia, beer o'clock, or anywhere in the world, beer o'clock.
Maybe cup of tea.
Cup of tea maybe for us. Cup of tea time.
We haven't got any beer anyway.
No, I know that. What else, Karen?
Oh, happy dads.
So, if you like the video, please give it a like.
And to subscribe.
And don't forget to ring the little bell. And we'll see you
in the next video. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oops.
We made a mistake.
I thought we were saying it together.
Oh, it was my idea.
Oh, well, let's do it again. Oh, well, I'll take that. It was my idea.
It was my idea.
Okay, together.
Don't you dare, because I won't sleep. Oops. You made a mistake.